How to make money blogging. As the world becomes increasingly digital, more and more people are turning to blogging as a way to make money. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or make a full-time living, blogging can be a great way to earn money from home. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of how to make money blogging in the USA. First, let's talk about what blogging is and how it can make money for you. At its most basic level, a blog is a website where you write and publish articles on a particular topic. Blogs can cover anything from cooking to fashion to travel, and everything in between. When you write a blog post, you're sharing your thoughts, opinions, and expertise with your readers. So how does blogging make money? There are a few different ways. One of the most common is through advertising. When you have a blog that gets a lot of traffic, companies will pay you to display their ads on your site. You can also make money through affiliate marketing, where you promote products on your blog and earn a commission for any sales that come through your unique link. Finally, some bloggers make money by selling their own products or services, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting. Now that we've covered the basics of blogging and how it can make money for you, let's dive into some specific strategies for making money from your blog in the USA. 1. Choose a profitable niche. One of the most important things you can do to make money blogging is to choose a niche that's profitable. This means finding a topic that people are interested in and that has the potential for monetization. Some popular niches include health and wellness, personal finance, and beauty and fashion. 2. Create high-quality content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start creating content. Your blog posts should be well-written, informative, and engaging. This will help you attract and retain readers, which is essential for making money through advertising and affiliate marketing. 3. Build an audience. In order to make money blogging, you need to have an audience. This means promoting your blog on social media, guest posting on other blogs, and engaging with your readers through comments and email. The larger your audience, the more money you can make through advertising and affiliate marketing. 4. Monetize your blog. There are many different ways to monetize your blog, including advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. It's important to choose the monetization strategy that works best for you and your audience. 5. Stay up to date with the latest trends. Blogging is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. This means attending conferences, reading industry blogs, and experimenting with new monetization strategies. In conclusion, blogging can be a great way to make money in the USA. By choosing a profitable niche, creating high-quality content, building an audience, and monetizing your blog, you can turn your passion for writing into a lucrative career. So why not start your own blog today and see where it takes you?